coronavirus lockdown, March 28th, 2020, and we're making spring rolls. So this is the mixture for it. It has salt, cardamom, onion, cilantro, poha, and crumbled soy chunks.
Yes.
So for this, we need 1 spoon and a half. So I'm gonna make it all together. So first I take this and then make it until I don't see the mixture anymore. And then I make it like where there's until there's no mixture, and then tightly put it. And then for the other side, the same thing. You tightly put it. And then this part you have to tightly roll until you get to here. Now I'm gonna put this so it seals nicely all until there. Okay, now that's done. And I'm gonna do this first, and then this, and then I'm gonna roll it. And then I'm gonna roll it a little more, and then we're done. So, I'm gonna put some more over there because that sticks nicely. Now it's perfect.
Good job.